My name is Mohammed Ali Zerouali and I'm Technical Sales Manager at Tahook Precision Solutions. The following wire EDM example that I will show you is quite unique. This is a spring that is made on a machine that is one of the most accurate in the world. It can machine down to 1 micron in tolerance and very low surface roughnesses in really small products. The machine is equipped with a robot, as you can see in the picture. But what is really interesting about this machine is the machine has a B-axis. That means that it can turn the product and cut at the same time. This allows us to make springs like you see in the drawing. These springs cannot be manufactured by milling because they become flexible during the manufacturing process and the features to be machined are really thin.